Just your standard potato cannon, shoving the potato down the barrel, trying to film nozzle. That here, David, you can have the honor.
Can I?
Little pressure gauge. We'll crack up to about 80 psi through that little hole right there. Okay.
Potatoes in.
Yep. Hose.
Can I pull?
No, wait.
I want to pull.
You guys just wait a second.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Wait, no, I can't do this and...
Here, I'll do this part. Okay. Ready?
Go up to 100.
Okay, you guys.
Back up.
Okay. There you go, David. Shoot for that big tree over there.
Shoot.
Wait. Let me get a little more.
Ready?
Okay, go ahead.
Big curve on it.
Did it clear that tallest pine tree?
I think it went right over to the right of it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
It went out and it went. It spun.
Can I pull?